Welcome back. So today we're diving into this explainer for day 7 of the syllabus, which is all about Git and GitHub. And honestly, this is a huge milestone. It's the day you basically get handed the keys to the real-world development environment. Up until now, you've probably just been working on your own, running code in your own little isolated bubble. But day 7, this introduces the exact same tools that professional engineers use to track their work and collaborate on massively scaled projects. So let's break down exactly what the source text lays out for us step by step so we can clearly see the path forward.
Okay, so looking straight at the syllabus, here are our learn items: Git, branches, pull requests, issues, README, and portfolio. Now, staring at this massive mountain of required topics all at once, yeah, it can absolutely be a bit intimidating. It almost looks like a whole new language, right? I mean, terms like pull requests definitely don't make intuitive sense to a beginner, and hey, that is perfectly okay. Don't let the sheer volume freak you out. We're not going to just blindly memorize this list. Instead, we're going to use a structured roadmap to make total sense of all these moving parts.
So how do we conquer that mountain? Well, we break it down into a logical 3-step progression. Step 1, Git and branches. Step 2, pull requests and issues. And step 3, the README and portfolio. Grouping the concepts this way takes us on a very deliberate, highly organized journey. The syllabus isn't just throwing random buzzwords at you, it's actually building a foundation. And order absolutely matters here. You really can't successfully tackle step 3 without mastering step 1. Let's zoom in on that very first step. Step 1, core mechanics, Git and branches. This right here is the bedrock. Think of Git as this incredibly powerful save point system for your code. Just like in a video game, where you save your progress right before a massive boss fight, Git lets you save specific versions of your code so you can always go back if something completely breaks. And branches? Actually, think of those as alternate timelines. You can experiment safely over there without messing up your main project at all. Once you get your hands dirty here, you are totally equipped to expand your horizons.
Moving right along to step 2, collaboration, pull requests, and issues. Notice the distinct shift in focus we have here. You are no longer just working alone on your local machine. You're building the communication layer for team projects. Issues are essentially, they're your team's to-do list. It's a central place to track bugs that need fixing or new features that need building. And pull requests? That is how you formally propose adding your brand new code to the main project. It's basically the process of raising your hand and saying to your collaborators, "Hey team, I fixed that issue. Could you please review my work?"
And finally, step 3, showcasing, README, and portfolio. So you've built the engine in step 1, you've figured out how to communicate with a team in step 2, and now you have to focus on the presentation layer. A README clearly explains your specific project to anyone visiting it, outlining exactly what it does and how to run it. Meanwhile, your portfolio displays your overall accumulated skills as a developer. This whole step ensures you don't just build cool things in the dark, but you actually present them professionally to the outside world.
Now, those 3 steps cover everything you're required to absorb. But if we look closer, the day 7 source material is actually split into 2 very distinct halves. On one side, we've got that entire learn agenda we were just talking about. But sitting entirely on its own over on the other side is the project category. This visual separation is super important for understanding the flow of the day. It represents this hard pivot from the passive absorption of knowledge right into active, hands-on creation. You've gathered the tools, you've studied the mechanics, and now the syllabus is demanding that you actually apply them.
Which naturally brings up the biggest question of the day. What exactly is the day 7 project? After slogging through all of those highly technical concepts, from branching strategies all the way to writing the perfect README, what is the looming climax of this syllabus? What's the final hurdle designed to prove that you've successfully mastered this brand new toolkit?
Publish everything. That's it. That is the entire instruction for the day 7 project, pulled directly from the source text. Publish everything. And the absolute beauty of this mandate is in its blunt simplicity. It is not some hand-holding step-by-step tutorial. No, it is a profound, non-negotiable mantra. All of those core mechanics you learned, all those collaboration tools you explored, all of those presentation skills, they literally all culminate in this one aggressive push. The syllabus is telling you to take the work you've done, utilize the GitHub platform, step out of the shadows, and push it out into the public world.
So I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. Are you ready to publish everything? The syllabus has given you the structured roadmap. You know the mechanics, you understand the collaboration, and for sure you know exactly how to showcase your work. The only thing left to do is take that leap of faith. Seriously, don't let your hard work just sit hidden away on your local machine. Execute the project and publish everything.
Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy learning.